I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to download the Photoshop Beta 24.6, which is publicly announced like 3 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. So if you have like the CC desktop app, if you're subscribed to Creative Cloud, let's open up the Creative Cloud. And when you're here, you can definitely see some of the options here or the categories inside of Creative Cloud. Let's click on Creative Cloud and you would see that there is what we call the beta apps. This is not yet the final version, and you can easily see the white icon of Adobe Photoshop, which is still in beta. You can easily like install this. Let's just pretend that you can just easily like click install, and you're good to go. This will automatically give you access to the generative fill inside of Photoshop. So that's how easy it is for you to download Photoshop beta, which is 24.6. If you want to check this out, let's click on the other versions. As you would see here, there are other versions, and the latest one would be the 24.6, which is I have right now. So this is the only option, which is to uninstall it. Let's click on done, and I've already downloaded this, and I've been playing with this for like days and days. Let's go back to updates, and as you would see, there is another update for Photoshop Beta as of the moment. So I'm just going to download that later on.